Hey there everyone, this is Jamni Pujari and I'm back again with another video of this series where we're gonna play with little cards and also we're gonna see what is this glass morphism. So let's get started. So guys, I'm an educator in Newton School. So let's see what Newton School is all about. So, my friends, Newton School is a platform which prepares you for career in tech. They have variety of courses which help professional working people and also for the people from non-tech background. Isn't that amazing, guys? They train you for 6 months to be a full stack web developer. Also, they ensures that you get placed in the best companies in the country. This wasn't the best part, guys. They have pay after placement facilities which ensures that you don't need to pay anything until and unless you get placed in the best companies with minimum 5 lakh CTC. Isn't that crazy, guys? So one more thing. Here you can see Launchpad. Launchpad is an initiative by Newton School for the students who want to learn coding from scratch, and here you can do as much as quiz you want and assignments you want to practice for the free of cost. Isn't that cool? And I want you all to go and check out their pages and try your hands on with this practice questions. So what is this glass morphism? Basically your UI looks like a frosted glass and which actually looks really cool. So let's see how to code it. My friends, let's play a little with CSS and adjust our body. Okay, so I have made my padding as 0, margin as 0 and box sizing will be border box. Next we will do a background as little dark grayish color. Okay, so we have to write one div tag whose class name will be card and inside that we will have all our content. Great. So let's style it. I'll say height should be 360 pixels. Width should be 300 pixels. And the position should be absolute so that we can move it and bring it to the center. What is this backdrop filter? Blur as 20 pixels. What is this about? So this backdrop filter will help you to give that blur effect and make it like a frosted glass. I'll give it a border and a box shadow also. It's time for putting icons. So I will put one image tag, and inside that here I will use one sun's image icon, and to make it in the middle I'll say margin left should be 40%. Now we will style our image tag, and to bring it in the middle we will say margin left 39 pixels, and below that we will mention today's temperature as well. So now we will write H1 because we want to also add today's temperature since we are working on the temperature card. So have you noticed how temperatures is being written, the today's temperature, and the degree icon will be above. So how to put that degree sign above that number? For that, write H1 and write today's temperature number, and then I will use superscript tag and I will write ampersand degree and give one semicolon over there and close it, and this will help us to give that degree sign above the number. And then we will use one container tag. After styling it, we will have one more class as container, and inside that we will write all the details of what is the maximum temperature and what is the minimum temperature today. And inside that container I will have one more div with the class called as details. Minimum and maximum, for both of them we will make two separate divs, and then in order to show them in a column I will use display grid in CSS, and grid template column should be auto, and auto means give them the proper height, equal height, so they will look something like this. Next I will do is to style that text inside maximum and minimum. I found it really cool. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this, and also if you like this video, please share it with your friends. It might help the beginners, and also do check out Launchpad and practice all the exercises.